this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't sign into your Xbox and you get this annoying little error where you can't click on use another device or you can't type in a password. It just does not allow you to click it for some reason. So if this happens, you need to go ahead and just remove your account and add it back. So there's some sort of account sync issue for whatever reason, so we can go to settings, go through here and go to account, go to remove accounts right here, and then we're going to have to follow the process to re-add it. So you can see my main account right here. We can select it, then remove it, and once we add it again, we should be able to sign in with another device or type in our password. So if it was broke before, we can just re-add it, and then we should be good to go. So we got to go back to the guide button and then go to add account, and then we should be good. So it's taking a long time just to remove this, so I'm just gonna wait. Maybe I'll slam some buttons here, see if it does anything. But yeah, just remove your account and then re-add it and you should be good to go to sign back in.